I see, Lulu. Oh, that is a keeper. That'd be an eater. What? Damn, you hooked him good too.
Yeah, he ate it a couple times, and I hurt him.
Here, Holden, you want to see the fishy?
Yeah. Yeah, let Dad.
Oh, it hit Luna. Mama said, why you guys always end up swimming? They fished a long time this time, and then they were in. And then look where Rowan is, babe.
He's a mermaid. What? Oh, God.
Holden's vest is in there, too.
Oh, wait, that actually didn't work.
I didn't respect the fish.
Yeah, exactly. You always gotta respect the fish.
Can I open up to have my own big rod?
No. You're reeling it upside down right now.
I like it like this.
Yeah, you're not ready. You're pretty good with it, though.
Okay, he kind of.
Yeah, we'll go here Saturday morning.
It's by his eye.
All right, let's go, Rowan.
Wait, I want to catch one. I'm gonna try to catch one more. Just trust
That's
me.
what you guys always say is one more fish. One.
Just trust.
No, don't do that.
And keep fishing.
And keep fishing. That's right. Nice, Rowan. That's a good way to end it. I'm out. Peace.
Oh, he flopped right off. Oh, let me just go. No fishy. I dropped him into the water. No, let's get.
Don't do that, Rowan. Luna just wants to release. My runts.
Banana.
Sarah is my girlfriend, sort of.
Slash wife.
Slash wife soon, and I like her a lot and stuff. Hopefully she'll marry me one day. Gosh, he got messed up bad.
Oh,
Ron,
release your fish.
don't say that word. Oh, he's fine. Wow, tough perch.